Alright guys, nandito na naman tayo at live with your trading mentor Neil. So this time guys, yung pag-uusapan naman natin ay yung Forex at yung US stock market. So kumustahin naman natin kasi usually yung pinag-uusapan natin is all about Philippine stock market. Pero alam naman natin that we have a lot of Filipinos who are also trading the Forex and the US stock market. So, unahin muna natin yung Forex. Let's check yung strongest pair during the week and the weakest one. So in a weekly basis, and then we will go to the daily one. So as you can see, guys, that the strongest currency is the Swiss franc, euro, and GBP. This is for the week, okay? And the weakest one is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. So now, if you are trading forex, if you want to find out the strongest pair, then you just pair the Swiss franc and the Australian dollar. But usually I am trading the Australian dollar and Swiss franc, so the other way around, and euro and Australia euro out and GBP out. So yeah, and these are the strongest pair for bullish moves. I mean, yeah, so the strongest one means bullish. Yung weakest one naman yung bearish one. So but if you will be going to the daily ones, as you can see, Great Britain pound is still the strongest, followed by the Japanese yen. But the really clearly it's the Great Britain pound which is the strongest currency. So if you pair it with the Australian dollar, then this pair is the strongest. So alright, so let's check here what is the pair that I can see that has really great potential. This one is the one that I saw, the Euro NCD, or New Euro and New Zealand dollar. So if you go back here at the weekly, you'll see that the euro is the strongest currency paired with the New Zealand dollar. So it's also okay to pair euro and the Australian dollar. So let's check it here. Euro out, okay, saan ka na? So okay, I don't have that pair, but I can add it. Euro out. Forex. Right, so it's a little bit slow. Anyway, let's analyze the euro New Zealand dollar for now. So as you can see, guys, if you go to the 1 year chart, you can see that this is clearly a triangle, and we have here the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and consolidation. The consolidation is happening above the EMA 200. It's a very good consolidation here, followed by a TTM squeeze. RSI is also rising. So this has a potential to go higher. Once it breaks the 1.79676 resistance, this will be the next target profit. So in a daily basis, you can see that this will be the expected move. So we have here tightening consolidation, break 1.79850, and then test the resistance 1.82. Now after this testing, it can happen that it can break this and then test the high of at around 1.9. So So of course that is the daily chart. We can move to the hourly chart for a proper entry. Okay, so now you are looking at the 1 hour chart. As you can see, there is a big spike here happening. That's a buy signal. So you see that this is the resistance that broke, pull back a little, and the price is holding. So as long as the price can hold above this resistance area, which is now possibly acting as a support, then we stay bullish. All right. So that's Euro and CD. So this is just one of the sample of currency pair that I'm looking now. So I haven't checked the others. So that's sample analysis from the Forex side. This Euro USD also looks promising. We have here double bottom pattern. See that, or W pattern. Swing low, bounce, swing low again, then created a higher low. So it's a potential upward move. Euro GPY. Also this one. So Euro USD is also looking good. This is also looking good. So all the Euro pairs are really, most of them are really having a good chart. However, this one was able to break the low of this, created a doji and then bullish engulfing. So yeah, potentially it can also go higher. So what about if we look at the Great Britain GBP pairs? So let's check. So GBP, let's delete first yung mga drawings that I have made before. So this is the 1 year chart, and yeah, so not really the best. So it's just trying to chop around the EMA 200. So we do not know yet where it's going. So what I can suggest is to watch these levels. This high over here. And the low over here. So wherever the direction of the breakout, I would be trading on that direction. Okay, so that is GBP. So now guys, let's check naman the US market. So US stock market. So we have here S&P 500 ETF, SPY. You can also use SPX if you want to analyze its index. So I prefer the SPY because it has a volume. So let's analyze what's happening in the US stock market. And as you may know that whatever is happening in US stock market, mostly it's really affecting all the other markets in the world, including Philippine market. Okay, so this is the 1 year chart, and as you can see, we broke that all-time high. Yes, so last September we broke all-time high, pulled back, bounced, but it wasn't able to create another high. So we have here now the double tops, top and another top. So we have a double top pattern, so it's a bearish pattern. We are looking for a possibility that this move will start to continue. However, currently it's holding the EMA 21, which is really a key support level. So it might fall to this, and finally making the measured move going to 320. So today it just created a bearish engulfing candle, so it means that the sellers now are really strong. So after the bounce above EMA 10, EMA 8, sorry, it wasn't able to continue, and instead it created a engulfing bearish candle. So that's not a good sign. Once tomorrow or the next days, if the price can break below this 340 support, then I will be expecting that price will try to test the 336. So if you measure a pullback, which I am allowing for a bullish, so I stay bullish once the pullback is staying above 60%. So 60% of the swing is this one. So I will mark it now. So the 60% swing low is 333. So this level, if while the price is still above this, then I stay bullish in the long term. But if the price breaks below this, then my expectation is a measured move going to this pivot low, which is in confluence to the EMA 200 support. So possibly what we are seeing here is really a pattern, a huge pattern. It's a triangle pattern. So let me draw the triangle. So you extend this to this, and so this is that pattern that I am anticipating. So what does it mean? So I will just clear out all the drawing tools because it's a little bit messy now. So again, drawing this to this and create a support. Yeah, so this is my projection that we have now a triangle, and triangle I can use the Elliott wave, 5 waves inside. So this is my projection as of now. So be prepared for that, guys. So again, at the current moment, I still stay bullish until we break below this. So if we break below this 333, then price can go to the 320 support. So that is really a major support because of the EMA 200, which is here. So once we bounce here, then yeah. So in the US stock market, if I'm going to trade this with an option trade, so if I believe that this is going to be a triangle, then what I'm going to do is to sell a call on the price about around so this is the active or very active entry or strike, so around 355. So I will be selling a call with strike price at 355 and put a protection by buying long call at around 360. So 5 points. So you can sell, you can open that position for 1 month duration. So how will you be able to earn from that? So how will you be able to earn is that while the price is below 355, so if that is your short call, So we'll be marking it with red. So again, while the price is below 355 within the next couple of weeks, then your position will just be, stay profitable because of the time decay. So while the options value is decaying, you are basically earning money if you keep the position open within the period of 1 month. But of course, you can close the trade earlier than the expiration should the price really dive lower, much lower, right? But so in option market, you don't care if the price will just make a sideways move or it will a little bit go up a little, but not going above the 355 resistance. Much more if it will go below or go much lower in a faster way, then you will be much more profitable in a faster way. So that's the good thing with option. So now another strategy that you can create is that once the price goes to here, you watch if there will be a bounce of the price, and if there will be some engulfing candle or pin bars, pin hammers that will be shown here on this support area, 60% pullback, then most probably it will bounce and retest again the resistance. So what you can do is to sell put instead of call. You sell a put around 330, or if you want to be in the safe side, you can sell a call at 320, which is actually the support level here. So that's how I am going to play the S&P 500 using an option. Another way to trade this is really to just sell here call with a protection at 360 or higher, then just leave that position, and once the S&P 500 is going lower and going closer to this support at 320, then you open another option or option position, which is now by selling a put option close to the 320. So you may put around 318 or 315 put. That is also okay. All right, so basically guys, that's my projection for the S&P 500. Some fundamental catalyst that is pushing the price down is really the volatility in the market while the election is upcoming in the US. So the expectation is that after the election, the market will again rise up. So historically, after the election is over, the market is rising. So that is historical, okay? So we do not know if it will really happen now or on this coming election. So we will see. All right, so that's it, guys, about the S&P 500. So guys, if you are interested to learn more about my strategies, then feel free to contact me via PM, via private message, or just send me an email, leh.agpacula.com, or sorry, so that is my personal email, so you can write an email to signals the trading edge at gmail.com. So you can write an email to here. So if you would like to learn more about Forex, or you want to learn about option trading, US market, stock market, or you would like to learn the Philippine market trading, then contact me via email or just write to me on my Facebook account, Arnil Kakutno Pakula, and I will be answering you with more details. So this is my Facebook, this is my name, so feel free to contact me. All right, And again, and also, if you would like to get my weekly stock updates for the US stock market, including Forex and cryptocurrency, then you can join and subscribe to my Trading Edge weekly stock updates for the global market. By the way, so just since na mention ko na, so since I have mentioned to you the Forex, I mean the crypto, I can see really potential bullish move for most of the uh, cryptocurrencies. So let's check the Bitcoin. Okay, so as you can see, today 2% up. It is a bounce from the EMA 8. This is really making some bullish move. So let me clean up my chart. Here is the 1 year chart. So the 1 year chart, what is it showing is that Bitcoin already started to move higher. So we have this key resistance level that was broken uh, last July 28th. We made a rally, we pulled back, consolidate, and then bounce. So this is guys a clear indication that the price of Bitcoin is wants to move higher. So we have here a triangle, and we broke out from the triangle pattern last October 7th. So before we broke, we have this very tight consolidation, and again, this is now the first base. I mean the first uh, continuation pattern. So it's like a flag pattern, and then we broke out. So what is the target? Immediate target for Bitcoin? We have this high. That is our immediate target. But since we have this really big pattern, then I'm expecting that the target is really much higher. So if I allow me to measure that, so this will be the base, and the target is that this. So this is the 50% move, so extension, and this is 100% extension. So these are the targets. All right, so it's not only Bitcoin that has a bullish signal now, but I can also see a bullish signal on Ethereum, same pattern. In fact, I will be soon to buy this one. So this is really looking bullish. Okay, so that is a bounce that is already triggered by signal. So I will be buying it after this live video. Let's check the. Okay, let's go to my crypto list. This one. The age. ADA. So ADA is also okay. Made some pullback. So this is also bullish. So most of the cryptocurrencies are really having a bullish setup and buy signal. So let's check LTC, Litecoin. This one is still a question because we are below the EMA 200. So I would like it to clear this resistance. What about the XRP? XRP is also having a buy signal. So we have here a bounce from the EMA 200. I would be buying that. I would be buying XRP. So this is key resistance level to break. We have here a target around this price, the high, the swing high. So we have a pretty nice risk reward here. So if you go to 1 hour, so as you can see, this is now a flag pattern, and now the price is above the EMA 200 bouncing. So I will be buying BTC, Litecoin, and the other one is XRP. So alright, so guys, again, if you would like to learn from me my strategies, how to analyze the chart, how to screen for opportunities, these are very 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 important. So let me know, just write me a message. Okay, so thank you guys, and God bless to all.